Okay, now we are starting with the short note number 3 and this will be your 7.3. Okay, ये होगा आपका 7.3. Write down the question. It is Yoon Seng. Spelling खास देखना. H capital, T capital. T is silent, but we write it like this: H-I-U-E-N, Yoon, T-S-A-N-G, Yoon Seng. This will be our next and the last short note for this chapter. Ready with the question, all of you? Ready with the question? Okay. Now shall I give you the answer? Okay. Now for that I am sharing the textbook and I am marking the answer over there. Okay. Can you all see the textbook? Okay. So here is your answer. You will start from here. This space. This is your point number 1. The Chinese traveler Yun Sen visited India during Harsha's reign and studied Buddhism in Nalanda for 5 years. This will be your point number 1. Okay? Then see the box given to you. Yun Sen stayed. दिख रहा है all of you? Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay, Yun Sen stayed in India for 15 years and visited different places. He has described the social, political, and religious conditions at that time. In 645 CE, he returned to China via Central Asia and took with him many books, relics, and statues. During his stay, he attended the 6th Buddhist religious congregation at Prayag. अब ये पूरे बॉक्स में है आपके पॉइंट नंबर 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. जैसे फुल स्टॉप आता है यू विल चेंज द पॉइंट. ओके, सो फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज एट द टॉप. ठीक है, फर्स्ट पॉइंट आपका, वेट बेटा डोंट स्पीक इन बिटवीन. फर्स्ट पॉइंट यहाँ पर है. देन Yun Seng stayed in India for 15 years and visited different places. वो वहां तक फुल स्टॉप तक आपका सेकेंड पॉइंट. Then point number 3, he has described the social, political and religious conditions of that time. Then point number 5, in 645. And sixth point, during his stay. So these are the 6 points of Yun Seng. अभी आगे भी है but वो next page में है. First of all, write it up to point number 6. Those who cannot understand, you can ask me. जिसको पता चल गया वो writing start कर दो. Others, those who have doubts, please ask me one by one. बोलो. Okay, now 6th and the last point, it is on the next page. I'm turning the page. Can you see the next page, all of you? Here comes your last point. Yun Seng, start from here. Yun Seng visited the court of Pukeshi II and has given a vivid account of its grandeur. Up to this grandeur. Grandeur meaning beauty. This is your 6th and the last point. After you complete this, we are at the end of chapter 1. Chapter 1 की जितनी भी वर्कबुक एक्सरसाइज थी, that has been completed. Okay, all of you? Am I clear? Yes? Okay. Now listen. Here we end of our chapter 1. Now chapter 2 also the explanation part is completed. उसमें भी हमारा writing work ही बाकी है. Right? So just now I want you all to take out a new page in your classwork book. Please take out a new page in your classwork book, all of you. Okay. Now there, first of all, write today's day and date. 10th July 2021, Saturday. Then write chapter number 2, Motions of the Earth. You should be writing all this in the new page of the classwork. Okay? Below that, give the second title, वर्कबुक एक्सरसाइज. अभी आप WBEX नहीं लिखोगे, आप पूरा स्पेलिंग लिखोगे. वर्कबुक एक्सरसाइज. डोंट राइट द शॉर्ट फॉर्म. I repeat, take a new page in your class workbook, write today's day and date, give the title chapter 2 Motions of the Earth, and then write the heading workbook exercise. Write the full forms, write the full spellings, workbook exercise. I don't have space, so I'm writing in short. Are you all ready with this much? Okay. Now again leave 2 lines and give the instructions MCQ. Instructions में लिखो MCQs. Can you see the MCQs on your screen, all of you? Yes or no? Can you see the MCQs, beta? Okay, so now you will be writing the MCQs. What happened? Okay, so you will be writing the MCQs just now. We still have some 7 to 8 minutes left. ठीक है? So try that at least 5 MCQs आप ये लेक्चर में खत्म कर सको. Now, as we had written in the first lecture, ऐसे ही आप लिखोगे वापस. फर्स्ट चैप्टर, नॉट लेक्चर, फर्स्ट चैप्टर. ठीक है? चूज द करेक्ट ऑल्टरनेटिव, ऐसा कुछ लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. जस्ट राइट द इंस्ट्रक्शंस MCQ. फिर राइट द क्वेश्चन एंड ओनली द करेक्ट आंसर. When it is daytime in India, in which of the following countries will it be night? Answer Canada. Number 2, in which direction does the earth rotate on its axis? Answer west to east. A, B, C, D, E, F कुछ लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. And you very well know this as we have done the same thing in chapter 1 also. Any doubts? Anybody? Any queries? Students? I want all of you to take the screenshot of this page. So in case if the lecture gets completed, then next lecture when you come in the class, you should be ready with your 8 MCQs and fill in the blanks 1, 2, 3. ठीक है? फिर मुझे ये एक्सक्यूज मत देना कि मैडम लेक्चर गॉट कंप्लीटेड सो आई कुड नॉट डू माई वर्क. नो, लेक्चर कंप्लीट भी हो जाता है तो बाद में, लेकिन ये आपको फिनिश करना है. यू कैन टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट ऑल्सो इफ यू वॉन्ट. नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में सीधा दूसरा पेज शेयर करने वाली हूँ फ्रॉम फिल इन द ब्लैंक नंबर 4. एम आई वेरी क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स?